Book of Heaven, Volume 11, March 24th, 1914. The humanity of Jesus has its limits, while his will is eternal and without limits. The soul who lives in the divine will makes up for the humanity of Jesus and is used by him as his humanity. Continuing in my usual state, I was lamenting to Jesus, for he had not yet come, and he, on coming, told me,
"My daughter, my will hides my very humanity within itself. This is why, in speaking to you about my will, sometimes I hide my humanity from you. You feel surrounded with light. You hear my voice but cannot see me, because my will absorbs my humanity within itself, since my humanity has its limits, while my will is eternal and without limits. In fact, when my humanity was on earth, it did not cover all places, all times, and all circumstances, and where it could not reach, my endless will made up for it and did reach. So when I find souls who live completely of my will, they make up for my humanity, for the times, for the places, for the circumstances, and even for the sufferings. Because since my will lives in them, I use them just as I used my humanity. What was my humanity if not the organ of my will? Such are those who do my will.